all the brakes. Yep. Put the new brakes here first. I put some anti-seize high temperature one. And it's gonna go in right there like this. And but first make sure these cylinders here, they're pushed all the way back. Make sure they're pushed all the way back. And then put this guy like this. Like that. Okay. There's that gap there now. And then we're going to put these screws in through here. 1, 2, and tighten them up. Alright, so this goes here, and the screw that comes out of there is this one here. Take this out. Bada bing, bada bang. That screw is out. They're right here, so I don't lose them. Two of them. This is the old caliper. This is where my brake broke. The reason why I'm doing it is because my two screws here, these two are frozen. So, shoot. Alright.